In this video, we will be learning how to create our virtual environment. To do this, you want to open Anaconda, and you'll want to go back to your folder called YOLO. Now, once you're in your folder, you want to click on this taskbar up here, and you'll want to press Ctrl+C, as we want to change directories to this folder. In your Anaconda prompt, you want to type in cd, and you want to paste that location by pressing Ctrl+V and press enter. Now, once you're in here, we want to paste in the command to create our virtual environment. To do this, we can go back to the YOLO object detection, and we'll want to copy this command, and we'll want to paste it here and press enter. And this will take a couple of minutes. Okay, so you'll know when you're done when it goes back to a line that looks like this. Now, to get into your virtual environment, all you need to do is type in conda activate yolo v3. Press enter. And you'll know once you're in when it says yolo v3 down here. And that concludes this part of the tutorial.